Chris here from Apollo Scooters, Canada's e-mobility destination. Today, we're super excited to introduce to you the new Apollo Explore. This scooter is for people looking to go up relatively steep hills and something that you can still carry up a flight of stairs. It's a third in the Apollo 2020 lineup, a range focused on cutting out the middleman and bringing the best quality scooters with none of the usual markups to the place we care about the most, here in Canada. So now let's get into the Apollo Explore. So when you open the box, the first thing you'll notice, it comes with a full-on user manual. Very important to read this before using your scooter, please, at all times. Secondly, comes with a charging cable with a North American wall plug. And lastly is a full-on tool set that has every single key and size, which is perfect to adjust any screws or anything that you need on your scooter. Here's your beautiful Apollo Explore. Powered by a 52 volts 18.2 Ah battery, powered by Dynavolt cells. Dynavolt is a leading manufacturer of premium batteries used to power electric motorcycles. The combination of these and electric scooters is an incredible power output and range. The Explorer comes with a 1000 watt motor that has a peak output of 1200 watts. This translates to a distance of 55 kilometers in range, which is roughly 34 miles, and a top speed of 50 kilometers an hour, which is around 31 miles per hour. All in weighing at 21.4 kilos, which is around 47 pounds. The Apollo Explorer comes with two 10-inch pneumatic tires, combined with dual suspension, one hydraulic in the back and one spring in the front, for even more comfort. Also equipped with front and rear disc brakes for a strong braking ability, as at speed of 50 kilometers an hour, you really want to have that safety option to brake whenever you need it. The frame is made with forged aluminium to support up to 120 kilos or roughly 250 pounds. The charging time of the battery is between 6 to 8 hours and the input voltage is AC 110 volts to 240 volts. The weight of the scooter overall is around 21.4 kilos, which is around 47 pounds. And what's great about this scooter as well in the Apollo line is the fact that it's very compact. You can fold the handlebars, the stem also folds, which makes it perfect to carry, store in your home, car or office. The Explorer also comes with a speedometer powered by the index finger instead of the normal usual thumb. This allows you to go for longer distances without hurting your thumb while driving. It's a design improvement really made to add much more comfort and to have more control over your speed. The Explorer has 3 different power modes, 1, 2 and 3, and this controls your speed limits. Gear 1, for example, is around 25 kilometers per hour, Gear 2 is 35 kilometers per hour, and Gear 3 is around 45 to 50 kilometers an hour. The scooter is now available for pre-order with delivery in late March, early April of 2020. It will retail for 1,699 Canadian dollars, so roughly around 1,279 US, with free shipping to Canada and free shipping US-wide. It also comes with optional upgrades such as honeycomb tires, hydraulic brakes, fast chargers, and more. Lastly, as with all scooters in the Apollo line, the Explorer comes with 24 months of warranty, compared to your normal traditional 3 to 6 month warranty offered by different manufacturers. The stock is super limited for pre-order, so get your extremely powerful scooter today. That's it for the unboxing video of the Apollo Explorer. Stay tuned for the review video of the same scooter. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe here. Thanks guys.